Before Figma hit its $10 billion valuation, they quietly gave their entire product away for free to every designer on Earth, and it's the part no investor presentation ever explained. In 2019, Figma was a design tool nobody outside Silicon Valley had heard of. Sketch owned the market. Adobe owned the industry. Figma had 12 employees and a burn rate that made VCs nervous. But that's not what built the moat. They made the full product permanently free for individual designers. No trial, no credit card, no time limit. Competitors called it a death wish. But every free user was a Trojan horse. Share one file and the recipient had to open Figma to view it. That shouldn't have worked. You don't build a $10 billion company by giving the product away. Every MBA in the room would have killed it week one. But here's the part they buried. Figma wasn't selling to designers, they were selling to enterprises without a single sales call. One free user shares a file, 50 people open it. The company gets invoiced for team seats. That's bottom-up enterprise capture, it printed money. One free user converts to 50 paid seats. The customer recruits themselves. CAC, customer acquisition cost, drops to almost nothing. The question is which company is running this exact play inside your team right now. 226 words. Retention markers land at open loop, line 1, 25% tease, not what built the moat. Pattern interrupt at -50%, that shouldn't have worked. 70% callback, the part they buried, unresolved close.